Night Show. Welcome back to the Night Show. We get the beautiful Sarah Ophelia and also Giselle and one mama from what's the village name?
Olokoro.
From Olokoro in Umaya. Umaya local government area of Imo State. Night Show come from.
Imo. Abia.
Oh, sorry.
Hey, Jesus.
Abia. Now, the thing we want to discuss this evening, and I say, you go feel marry person when it be say, no, only 2 times when they see in a year, ain't not they say for Nigeria with you, as a lady, you go feel marry man when it be say, he get money, you get everything, no, whether he young or old.
Why you point my side? Why you point my side? Because I say I feel my own, but now you go everybody now. Imagine tomorrow I just say waka, everybody go just say look.
My sister, I watched you for TV yesterday. You hot guy. You mean nothing when you talk.
I don't feel married. No, I can't do that one.
So what will they discuss now? Say whether you go feel married person where they outside Nigeria as a lady, I'm not going to see only 2 times in a year. Whether you go feel do them. Now, hello, good evening.
This is so Maureen.
Hey! Maureen, was that when call they catch you? What do you go do?
No, there was a time he gave me an invitation to come over there.
Okay.
Okay, but for now, things aren't working fine. But I can say because this is a national television, but...
My sister, we're not going to see your face. Stop.
I don't know you.
We don't know you.
But when I got there, I really realized that he's married with... Sorry.
Oh.
Hey!
Oh, sorry.
Baby girl, he doesn't deserve you, honey. He doesn't.
Oh,
He blessing a cry, she won't cry.
yes. That's why I said men or people that do this thing is they have another life. They definitely do. You cannot marry someone and say, oh, you live here, I'll live there, I'll be coming and go. It's a lie. He has
But
another
some men,
life.
what about the men with they here, with their wife there abroad?
Yes.
Same thing.
Plenty of our celebrities, plenty of our so-called celebrities,
and all of that.
Plenty of them, they here, they run things.
Their wife
and children, they other countries.
Yeah, because they are lying. They are lying. They want to still live bachelor life and still be fake married. They are hypocrites. Yes,
No,
and
that's
then they
not
are.
the situation all the time.
Come on,
That's not the
she's
situation
white,
all the
Jare.
time.
See?
No, there are people like that, but then again, I know people who, let's say, they want their kids to have a better life because, as we say in Nigeria, it's only abroad we have better life.
Okay.
So in that sense, we send our family abroad, and the men are working here
to
make the money. Yes, but not 2 times a year, though. That's too small. Yeah, they go back more frequently. I know people, at least they make an effort once in 2 months, once in 3 months. They always
I'm sorry, I don't agree with the better life thing because if we are going to get married, I want to be where my husband is. If we are going to live in the village, then we will find the best school in that village for them to go to.
Where you go buy makeup?
I will not put makeup. No, you have to. You know who you're marrying, so and you have to compromise.
No, face mask.
You have to work now. You will make
Hello, good evening. Say good cassava for Facebook.
You go
Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening, my sister. What is your name? Where you come from?
I'm calling from Nedu. My name is Ngozi.
Ngozi, how is you, Nga baby?
I'm cool.
Nga, you come out for this thing where they talk.
Okay, what I want to talk, you say, I'll be part of it.
Oh, you go feed one.
I don't marry someone with
she's
outside.
experienced.
Oh, you don't marry already?
Yes.
Where the man dey?
Yes.
How many times did you see him in 1 year?
I'm seeing him once in 1 year.
Once in 1 year?
Yes.
Till now?
I'm not lying.
Hi.
Give the man phone.
I'm not there here now. It's a beautiful hair.
Eh? No, my sister. What?
Yes.
Once in 1 year.
Where they?
US.
Yes.
Where the man dey?
The man there, US.
Hey,
You come there Nigeria.
Yes, now.
What did they do there?
What did they do there?
He's a work.
Which work did they work?
He they work for a company.
For a company.
Actually, they cook.
For your own company.
for your own company.
For a company. Now lie, I don't know this. Madam, if God catch you, what do they do?
Well, it's by God's grace. I get in anything in life.
It's what somebody determines what he wants.
So
Yes.
that once in a year, now is there around now for the once in a year? Hello?
Hello, can you hear me?
That once in a year, won't I see now? So he there around now for that once in a year.
How long you go stay?
You will stay for 1 month.
Okay.
1 month. So you go collect everything for 1 month.
So last
Charge
time
your battery full. But get power bank. Get the power bank full.
Uh-huh.
Hey.
Maybe we should get inverter.
Okay.
Anyway, Ngozi, thank you.
Thank you.
See, we they talk.
2 times.
Oh, yeah, wait.
times,
This
now
better
once.
life thing where you talk. So why it not be better life? Make you carry the children go there. Why is she the one here in Enugu and then he is there in better life?
She said she did comfortable, so she did okay. She said she don't make up her mind. That was what she said.
No. Me, I was speaking onto what our people as Nigerians
They
see
see in
abroad
quotes.
as better life. Do you get what I mean?
So me as I grow up here, so no be better life I go.
See, where you grow?
I know Marina. Not be Enugu you grow up so. Why your papa no carry all of na go?
We go
Lebanon?
now. We go Lebanon. Come
With
back
him,
now.
Abi?
We go. We know he
With
was working
him.
here when we went. We lived there for 5 years. He was still in Nigeria working because he works in construction.
Wow.
Who they work for your papa?
me,
So we didn't
my
go
father
there. We
was,
Close the
lived there.
jacket.
my father was,
Make her
anywhere I
close
go,
am. He dey
everybody go. So, all of us go worry be that.
So, but what is she they talk now? Say this woman now, this Ngozi now. We're talking only once in a year they see the husband now. What do you go talk about that one? I not gonna like give you.
I go talk
now
say-
for this man eat you. I feel tell you say somehow
Something they happen.
something they happen.
Once in a year.
Because how you go marry somebody once in a year?
I'm sorry, but even if he's working abroad in the US as an expat, the company is able to do papers
For
for
the
both
family.
him and your family. So it's either he doesn't want to do it or
Doesn't
my
have the
sister,
means.
nah, McDonald's, they wash plate for. I'm sorry. But because any legit company that is, you're hired to work with will
For
do
that long.
papers for you.
You
and
understand?
your
For that
family.
long.
Yeah.
Hello, good evening from Lekki Biko. Hello.
Hello.
Good evening. Who they there? What's in your name?
Tombra.
Tombra. Oh yeah, talk to
Yeah.
us.
Yeah. The deal is, if you have somebody abroad,
Yes, in the abroad.
you'll just be cheating on the person.
Thank you,
God
sister.
will catch you.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Yes, like now rain they fall all the time.
Weather for two.
Exactly. This is not weather for two. You say you marry somebody, you're in there for America, you're there for Lebanon or wherever the person is. Oh, that one, now wash.
Oh, thank you.
You need that thing.
That
You not one man.
So one body.
Thank you.
Once in a year, twice in a year, even 4 times in a year. What are you guys talking about, man? Be real.
Wait, Thunder. Sorry, Thunder.
Tombra.
Thunder, you don't marry. Thunder, you don't marry.
Don't be Tumblr.
I never marry you.
But, so which means you're not going to do this thing where they talk so now?
I know fit do am. I know fit do am.
Thank you.
What will be the minimum where you go feed do?
At least once in a month, twice, once in 2 months, but not like 4 months stretch.
Thank you.
So my sister, you not they can't call where they catch you. You not go feed. No.
Nedu, the way they look yourself, if you're there abroad and your wife there in Nigeria, well, you go just fire down anyhow.
Hey, I see my wife here now. She can't show today.
Story for the gods, Nedu.
Tumblr, thank you. Sorry, Tumblr. Tumblr, good night. Now, back to what we they talk. Now, you they say me for that guy. I suspect say that guy gets married another life. Now, before leave that guy matter on top Twitter, Becca talk say I have been dating my boyfriend for 5 years now, and out of that 5 years, I haven't seen him for 3 years.
Catfish.
Now Facebook them meet.
I don't know.
Now catfish now.
See, I can't see.
Which I began.
No, the point and kill.
Oh my God.
Which I be point and kill.
Catfish.
No, but okay,
For real though. For
You know,
real.
I actually dated someone for 5 years. I was in London and he was here. And he did try though. He was coming like twice a month or sometimes he would come and stay
Who
2
they pay the
months
money
at
for
a
ticket?
time. That one na business concern me. Now in the conscious. But moral of the story, I want to just cut it short. I am single. Meaning,
You don't work.
it did not
Go to
work.
work.
It did not work. I can't come Nigeria. He don't propose to 2 girls. In life, like, in fact, another story. Wait for my book coming soon.
You don't propose to 2 girls already?
His story was plenty. So I'm telling you from experience that you cannot live in 2 separate countries for that long. Because even in the beginning, 2 months, he was coming, but after a while, you can't separate.
But can I say
and me
something?
myself, I dey tire for the guys, so I'll be like, I better not come this much, just stay.
No, let me say something, right? I believe that even if you and the man, I've seen situations, you and the man are still living in the same house, so he still got another family. He still got another family.
Don't be by whether in there or in there around.
But you're likely to see him more if
But
you
they see him do use when he's still cheating and it's the same thing now.
But then the point is when you're away that long, it's like you're still lonely. It's like you're married but single at the same
I
time.
understand.
You know what I mean? But married, like even if he's cheating outside, at the end of the day, she still they come home to you.
They come home, they give me STD. What do you want to do?
I don't know what kind of guys you know.
No, but for you. Now, your person where you want married,
Yes.
he not in Lagos with
He's
you.
not in Lagos, but he's in the country. That's the difference.
No, that one, at least night boss today.
Yeah, nice boss
If
day.
he reach here by 4.
Oh, you get that boss in the morning.
Maybe I miss you.
Maybe I miss you. You miss me.
8 hours later,
Sometimes
I
you
miss
don't.
you.
Or maybe I miss you 1 hour, you know, and then you play. Then if. Hello, good evening. Sorry, so nothing causes. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello.
Where you? Who's that?
Okay, going back on top Twitter. Now, we don't hear waiting back. I get to talk, and then hey, network for my Twitter. Now, before before network come and before I take the next call, the question I want to ask you now. Tell me true. Waiting be the before Giselle, tell me waiting be the longest time when you say you go stay away from the person where you did date, if you know they stay for Nigeria. Now, for example, now most of this your husband where you were married, where they Nigeria, waiting be the how many times do they see in a month?
At least once or twice, at least.
And they Nigeria.
Yes. Well, we have.
But if call they catch you in for that once or twice, now read the phone now.
And now, how many?
Now, ring
Come
the
on.
phone.
No, but read for yesterday.
So if
Read for
It go
yesterday.
likely for today.
It go for today again for night. Now, if you don't fall for night now,
Make I don't like Sha. When rain dey fall, I don't know this rain for 2. I like to sleep and scatter myself. That's the time I don't want anybody to hold me. And let me enjoy my sweet breeze.
that, breeze for.
No, but
Well,
you know, as a woman, let me speak as my mother taught me. That's the real Olokoro woman
Myself,
that
I'm
I am.
curious.
Yes, as a woman, we don't always catch cold as easily as
Men, exactly.
We are able
Word.
to stay. We are able to. That is why
My
we are
sister,
women.
talk for yourself. For you guys are not the way you know. Pietom.
Even AC.
Even with AC.
Fan,
Even
come
with,
on, fan.
Come on, fan. Hand fan. Oh, I need somebody to hold me. Hello from the Colorado. Good evening.
Yeah, this Colade.
Colade, how are you?
I'm fine, I'm cool.
I'm going to talk to us today. Hear you.
Yeah, I'm fine. It happens. It works for some people.
You be man or be woman?
Maybe if you want.
Sorry, but I'm a man.
Okay. You say they work for some people.
Yeah.
How many people you don't see where you work for? When you say only 2 times they see it a
How
year.
many people? Actually, they work for my uncle.
Your uncle.
Yeah.
How many times your uncle they see his wife?
Well, let me say they see maybe 5 times in a year.
That one see there. That one see there.
5 they
Oh,
try.
5 not bad. Now
Not
when they say
bad.
2 times.
Okay, just try that in a year.
You go feed am.
That one is quite crazy.
Colade, you go feed one.
Me? If you know what now, you understand as a man now.
I don't understand though.
You understand as a man now, they do now.
I don't understand, my brother. I don't know what you're talking about. Anyway, Colade, thank you. For me, I believe say every man go feed one.
It's easier for men.
It's easier for men to
But
feed.
you consider the woman now.
But yes, now they tell you, it ain't easy for men to do. But for you, will be man, for you to want to if you know this selfish, you go consider the woman. If you don't love the person, you consider. But if you think of yourself alone, now you say you just all you want to think of now how you go take out from this club, go this club, arrange all the whole girls. If you think of the person, you self go reason how you go take.
The person wants to live back.
Is it this woman? Madam, no vex. What?
Don't
More
talk,
back break,
don't
they
talk
come back.
about it.
Man, no go. No.
Before they beat me for that, they great.
Shorty came in and she called me red and red, sleeping with a girl next door. And when she see me, she says she no go mind. Boy, would you give me something?